done on the different data and all. If each and every functionality is available within that standard app, so in that case, do you think that we should go with the custom solution? No. In that case, we can simply go with the standard app. Okay. So to check the standard app, so we have to access this site called as Fiori apps library. And within this, we have a list of various standard apps according to the different landscape. So we have a standard apps which are only available for SAP Business Suite, which you can call it as ECC. So there are also some standard apps which are supported to only SAP S4 HANA. So we also have some standard apps on the cloud. So we also have a S4 HANA cloud and all. So likewise, we have a list of standard apps which are being categorized based on different system landscape. OK, so the current system which I'm using is SAP S4 HANA 1809. OK, so how you can check? You can simply go to your SAP logon. Just deny this, go to system, and there will be one option called status. Click on system, go to choose the option status, and now there is a product version. Just click on this search icon. OK, so go to install product version. And there you can see, OK, so it's sorry, it's in 1909 now. Sorry. So the version which I'm using is SAP S4 HANA 1909. OK, so that is what the version I'm using. OK, so now based on this version, I would be checking for the standard app. So if I want to activate any standard app, so based on this version only, I have to choose that standard app. OK, so to choose a standard app, so you can see we have all apps. So just click on this all apps. So I would be activating one standard app called manage billing document in this session. OK, so I'll search for manage billing document here. OK, so when I search, you can see one app called manage billing document. So just click on this manage billing document. OK, so now this is what the app that I'm going to activate within this Fiori Launchpad. OK, so this app is let's consider this app is already fulfilling all the requirements. OK, so this app has all the functionality which is required to perform a daily activities. So this app has all that functionalities. OK, so now if as a developer, if I'm a Fiori consultant, so what I will do, my first approach would be I'll come here. I'll check whether on which platform this app is available or this app is compatible. So I'll check that this app is only available on SAP S4 HANA and SAP S4 HANA Cloud. So this app is not supported for ECC, which is nothing but Business Suite. OK, so this app is not available for ECC. So if your customer is using ECC system and he wants this standard app to be activated, so in that case, there will be no option. So either he can go with the custom development. In that case, he can directly go with the custom solution, or second option would be tell your customer to migrate to S4 HANA. So only two options we have. Apart from that, we can't do anything, right? So this app is only supported to SAP S4 HANA and SAP S4 HANA Cloud. So already the system that I have is SAP S4 HANA. OK, and now on right hand side, we have the version drop down. OK, like this app is available at the last to SAP S4 HANA 1610. So if any version is there which is below that, so this app will not work. OK, so the version which I'm using is 1909. So this one I will select from here. And then based on that, below features will get updated. Product features, implementation information, all these details will be updated. Now for this app, already they have mentioned some prerequisite details like what is a required backend. So required backend product is SAP S4 HANA. So on which modules this app is suitable to. This is available for commerce, finance, sales, and service. OK, and this app is a transactional, means you can perform a CRUD operations within this app. And the database which this app is using is HANA DB. And on which device this app can work? This device can work on desktop and tablet. means this app is only suitable for desktop and tablet. On mobile, you can't see this app properly. So mostly we can prefer this app on the desktop and tablet. And this is what the application ID that we have for this app. When you scroll down for the product features, you can see the list of product features for that app. This is how our app will look. OK, the manage billing document, which has on the top header, filter bars, below is the table. OK, so when we activate, this is how our UI should look when we activate this. So this is all about the basic the product features through which customer can go through, and even the functional guy who can understand the all the requirements and the functionalities or the features this app is providing. So based on that, what our part is there? OK, what is our duty in the standard app activation? So as a Fiori consultant, after comparing with the system details and the product version, so I will directly go to implementation information, and I'll directly go to installation. OK, so in case of installation, we have a front end component and back end components. So this part, you are not responsible to install all this front end and back end component. For that, we have a separate team. Basis team is there for that. OK, so basis team will configure all this UI component, and then what all the package, or if something is required, they will take care of all this. You don't have to worry about this front end and back end components. But still, you can verify this, like the software component version, which is this. This is a backend, sorry, this is a front end component version. And then for backend, this is S4 Core 104. So all these versions you can cross check once in your SAP system. OK, so if you go here, it's UI S4H OP1. So you can go to installed software component version. And from here, you can check for the component which are installed. OK, so within this, I guess we should be, yeah, see, UIS4H OP1. So this is the backend, sorry, this is the front end component which is already installed. OK, and what about the backend? So the backend, I guess, the backend component which we required, sorry, yeah, that was, yeah, backend component that we need is S4 Core 104. OK, so that is the backend component. So I guess that is also there. S4 core. Yeah, see, so this front end and back end both components are available within this system, right? So now what is left now? Now we can, yes, at least this app is compatible with our system. If looking at the configuration, looking at the front end and back end components, all these components are already available within that SAP system. So we don't have to worry after that. So now our part comes, the Fiori consultant part comes, where he can check for the technical name. If he can check for ICF node. So what is ICF node? So as I already told, like whenever you're activating any app, standard app or any app, UI5 app, so ICF node will be created for that app. OK, so when we deploy our app for the first time, one ICF node will be created. So same like that. So first of all, we have to check for the OData service and the technical name of our app. So the technical name of our app is this. OK, so under the SAP Fiori Launchpad technical configuration, so this is the technical BSP name of our app. OK, and apart from that, this is what the OData service that we have to activate, which is available as a part of S4 Core 104 component. OK, so now this two details we have to do. So first we have to activate OData service, and this is what the OData service we have to activate. So let's copy this OData service now. And let's go back. Now where we have to activate OData service, guys, can you tell me now?
Yeah,
What is it?
maintain service, maintain
Yes.
SU.
So we have a T code. Sorry, IWFND/maint underscore service does not exist.
Slash NIWFND. FND.
IWFND mint underscore service. Yeah. Okay. So now access that T code mint underscore service. And in that, this is the place where we can register our OData service and we can activate our OData service. Okay. So now as that service, first of all, let's see whether that service is available or not under this service catalog, whether that service is registered or not. So to check that service, you can simply select this and you can add a filter and then let's see whether that service is there or not. Okay, so looks like that service is not added under the service catalog. Okay, so let's add a service catalog now. Let's add this service under the service catalog. So to add this, so there is one option called add service. Now select the system alias as a local and now just add a technical service and just click on the get service. So once you click on the get service, that service will be read. And this is what the service that we have to add. So just select this service and click on add selected service. So once you add, so it will ask you for the package and all, like in which package you want to store and all. Okay, so if you want, like you can go with that Z Fiori. Yeah, so TR for custom, you can go with this. Was created, but its metadata could not be loaded. Why? We check. Okay, I can see ICF is okay. Inheritance. Any idea about this, guys? What was the issue? I'm not sure what is this. Okay, I'm not sure what is the problem. Okay, like shall we try or go with any other app?
I think we can take some simple app.
Let's go back because that same app I have updated or I have activated couple of times. I never got that issue. So we need a list of apps, all apps for PS4 HANA, like let's check this app once. Okay. So this app is available for 1909. And yeah, this component UIAP FI70. S4 core is there. Only this front end component we need to check. UIAP. Looks like that component is not there. Right. Let me filter out this once. Yeah, it's there. Okay, so looks like we can go with this app also. Okay, so let me copy. Yeah, let me do one more thing now. This.
Clear the
Um,
cache. That's in the O data.
Not sure. Yeah, some problem is there with that OData.
They asked us to clean the cache.
Hmm. Okay, fine. So let's check with this app. Yeah. So let's check this OData service.
Otherwise,
Okay.
you have already added right the tab. So maybe you can just try that cache.
No, no, no. After that, I have checked also. Like few days back, what the vendor has done, he has cleared all the cache.
Okay.
Like we used to have lot of many apps and OData services. Everything is cleared out. So now that service is not part of that SAP system. It's already been the entire system is cleared. Okay, now let's go with this one. Oh, sure, this problem. Okay, it is strange. No, this service itself is not there.
SRB. Okay. Just remove SRB. Yeah, just star.
Mhm. Because
Uh,
it's not even giving any error.
any error.
Hello, guys, can you hear me now?
This is
Yeah, sorry. Okay. Which
Yes,
one, guys? Can you suggest any standard app?
billing document. Sales order is anything like
Let me check this one. Sales management overview. One is also there. Let me check, okay, whether this is available or not. So there are two OData services for this one.
no, no, you won't get it. There is something problem there in this. Just close. Is there any because of the more browsers like SAP logon pads?
Not sure, guys.
We that
What's the
local we
problem?
need to add every time. That one.
Yeah, yeah, we basically add that only. Ah, okay. So this service is already there. This one is already activated.
Okay, that's right. Not coming.
Okay, fine. So at least if I guess for earlier app also maybe that service was
Yeah,
already there.
there. Yeah.
That yeah, that's fine. Let's check for the second one whether the service is there or not. Let's see if that service is there. Yeah, okay. So this two services are already there. Then what is required now? Now we just need to check whether that standard app is activated. So what is the technical name? This is the technical name of our app. So let's copy this app once. And now where we have to go to check whether that app is activated or not, we have to go to SICF transaction. So let's go to SICF transaction and let's paste that inside service name and let's execute. Okay, so looks like that app is also activated. Okay, see it's already activated. I guess this one we can see. Okay, so now after activating your, after registering your OData services and after registering your UiFi app, means activating your app service in SICF. So next thing is there is one Fiori Launchpad, technical configuration details they have provided for this app, like what is a semantic object and what is a semantic object action for this. Okay, so whenever you're activating any standard app, so the main important thing is we should not prefer a technical catalog or business catalog, nothing. Okay, so it is like a standard rules. Okay, so for our case, we will always go with the custom approach. So we will always go with the custom catalog and group. Okay, but only thing is that we don't have to create the tile from the scratch. We can directly create a reference from that tile. So how you can create a reference? So this is the technical catalog name. Okay, just copy this technical catalog name and let's go back to the Fiori designer. Okay, now go to catalog and just looks like it is. Okay, now inside the catalog, just search for that standard technical catalog. So this is the catalog, and under that catalog, you can see almost there are like 89 tiles. Okay, now within this, we have to search for the app that we want to work with or activate, which is that app now within this. So that app name is Sales Management Overview. This is the title for that app. Okay, Sales Management Overview. And for that semantic object is sales and semantic action is display overview page. So first we have to check for Sales Management Overview. Sales semantic object is there, right? Okay, we can check for only sales. Yeah, see, this is the app sales and it has the semantic object action as display overview page. And this is the application ID F2601. So we can directly compare that ID, application ID, which is F2601. So let's scroll up, see F2601. So this is what the app that we are looking for. Okay, now let's go back to that app and now let's create a reference. So this is the app. So let's click on create reference. OK, so first I would be creating a reference for target mapping and then I would be creating a reference for type. So select that app and now just click on create reference option. OK, now what is the catalog that we have recently created? This one, right? Custom catalog for demo apps. Select that. Now automatically a reference will be created. Similarly, go to tiles and search for that app. So what is the tile? Sales Management Overview, right? This is the app. Or you can go to here, like here we can properly see the details. Semantic object, yeah, this one, Sales Management Overview. And yes, right, this is the app. So create a reference again for the tile also. And now just assign that tiles and target mapping reference to the custom catalog. Why I'm assigning a reference to the custom catalog? Because If you're assigning this catalog to any user unnecessarily, he might see 89 application under that catalog, which is not a good idea. So always, as a best practice, what we do whenever I want to assign a standard app to any user, so I will prefer a custom catalog and custom group, and I'll just create a reference from the standard catalog and standard target mapping, and I'll assign that reference to the custom catalog. That is the process. OK, so now let's remove this filter, and now you can go to that custom catalog that we created. OK, and automatically you can see that tile reference. See, under the tiles, you can see that tile sales management overview. And similarly, you can also see the target mapping. OK, so these both details are automatically, it will be appended based on the create reference. That's it. Now, what is the next step? Next step is simply go to the group and assign that tile to that custom group. So this is the group that we created, and now just create a reference for that tile. See, now can we see this tile sales management overview? So just click on this plus icon. That's it. Now this tile will be available under that group. So if we go back and if I reload, you can see one more tile for this custom UI5 group. OK, so let's reload and let's hold on for a couple of minutes here because it will take now some time. So activating standard app, guys, it's very easy. It won't take more than like hardly it will take 10 minutes, not more than that. If everything is properly there, if you're not facing any challenge while registering the OData service, then it won't take more time. Hardly 10 minutes, maximum 10 to 15 minutes would be enough to activate any standard app on the Fiori Launchpad. OK, so yes, I guess our Fiori Launchpad is loaded now. And let's scroll down and let's find that standard app. This is the standard app. OK, can you see now sales management overview? So let's click on that app now. So you can see the semantic object followed by the action type. So it's opening now. It's still loading, guys. Still it is loading, guys. Yeah. OK, so can you see now the standard app? Is it opening? Not sure about the currency which is required. Yeah, but at least you got it how to activate